Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, quite a few updates here need to be made. I don't know if there's bad news or something, but again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see the opening 30 minutes is where the majority of the losses happen. Price went sideways, and then the bears showed up a little bit. But to give credit to, the bulls did show back up to at least put the price back inside of this range that it had been traded in, the majority of the day. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. I'm just going to use these lines up here. Sure, those still pertain, but they're not really relevant anymore. So no point in, creating unnecessary clutter and confusion, with too many lines. So first point to start off with is just this level of support. And that's right here at 65 cents. I realized it went a little bit lower, but I think we can all agree the main area of price congestion was right there at 65 cents. So that's going to be, that kind of next overall level. Near term level of support where the buyer showed up quite a few times is right there at 70 cents. You can see here, 70 cents provided support. Yeah, it failed right there. But even in the final 30 minutes right there, you can see the bears once again try to press down through there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So 70 cents, definitely the very near-term level of support. If that can hold, then 65 cents is what I would call the must-hold level, because if the price can't hold above 65 cents, then that's where the price risks potentially going to, all new lows that haven't been seen for a very long time. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, quite straightforward here, and that's right all about at 75 cents. If you're watching level 2s today, then I'm sure I'm stating the obvious, but I'm not going to count the number of times. But a whole bunch of times the price tried to get up above 75 cents and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be initial area of resistance. If the price can get up through 75, then the next level to keep an eye on is going to be that 50-period simple moving average, which is going to continue to slope downward. So rough day for the bulls, but we'll see if they can try to bottom out and create some sort of bounce or not. But we'll have to sit back and see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.